Clock, clock, do you hear that? That's the sound of history being written on Olivetti Studio 46 typewriter. This classic machine, released in 1956, revolutionized the way people wrote, allowing for easier, faster and more precise typing. It quickly became a favorite among writers, journalists, and office workers around the world, and was even used by Ernest Hemingway, Tennessee Williams and Francis Ford Coppola. But the Studio 46 was more than just a tool. It was a symbol of freedom and expression during a time of political and social upheaval. It allowed people to communicate their ideas and opinions with ease, and its sleek design made it a fashion statement as well as a functional object.